Hi everyone. Thank you for listening to this video. Uh, First of all, my name is Abhishek Nandaboina, and this is my final semester here in St. Cloud State University, and my major is information systems. Today, I'm going to present my internship CPT presentation for spring 2021. To start off with, the company I'm working for is Cognizant IT consultant company, and it's globally well known in one of the Fortune 500 companies. How did I get this internship opportunity? Yep, I marketed my resume to Indian consultancies, and finally I reached one of the employer from Cognizant picked my resume and informed me about the next stages of HR round and technical and group interview. Later, I cracked all the three of them, and finally I got hands of this project with the Blue Cross Blue Shield. My project is for Blue Cross Blue Shield Minnesota. It's a health insurance company, and its location is at Eagan. A brief information about Blue Cross Blue Shield. Uh, the office building I'm working for is at 3535 Blue Cross Road, Eagan, Minnesota 552122. It's basically a healthcare insurance company, and it has more than 3,000 employees. Starting off with the Blue Cross and back in 1929, it, it's eligible and well-known insurance provider which is worry free and provide healthcare for all kinds of people. It's affordable healthcare. My role, I worked as a data engineer and ETL developer at Blue Cross Blue Shield. The tools I've used are mostly SQL, Jira, Git applications, Teradata, Voicescape, Red, Windows CP, Informatica, C++, Unix, Python, and Stone Branch. Briefly explaining my role at Blue Cross Blue Shield. Uh, my role is a tester and a bridge. Basically, I act as a bridge between the offshore development team and checking the proper validations and engine status, and convey the same information to the business side clients. Apart from that, I did user acceptance testing and regression testing to make sure all the files were instance were up to date and there were no impacted files with remaining data, as we deal with billions of records every week. Along with that, I write, edit, and maintain a query scripts for credit logical implementation for proper sanity tests. Discuss with the management personnel to clarify the business requirement, identify the problematic use case, and suggest change that require engineering implementation. And if the query looks good, I perform the revision and using an ad hoc and change the code for both for historical and incremental data flow. Some of the classes which helped me to crack the interview and help me to ease up the process of working are ISO 43, which is a database in SQL. Mainly, I've learned how to write in SQL queries, how to import, export, and modify the queries, which I do basically every day. And the second one is Information Systems 501 STLs and Agile Lifecycle. This class helped me, the management class, and this class helped me pretty much about the Scrum Master and how does a sprint work and about the agile life cycle of the project. And last, the HPS 211 class, which helped me to build a solid resume and with everything in order. Some of the responsibilities I handle day-to-day activities are managing the data of all the medical claims and member details in different tables, checking and monitoring daily, weekly, and monthly data load and validating them accordingly, gathering data depending upon the incident and job request, schedule various jobs to move data from one database to other, and user acceptance testing. Internship contribution to the organization. As a data engineer, I learn how to deal with data and put my skills into test according to incident description and for all kinds of validations. I am responsible for handling all the development activities from offshore team and validating them properly before sending them to a business line, because the business clients are going to directly ask me about any if they find any discrepancies in the instruments, and I need to thoroughly check before sending them to the business side. have regular meetings with clients and understanding their requirements and sending them regular updates. And apart from that, I have a stand up every day with the offshore team to check the status and monitor how the private incident is in progress or not. Internship contribution to self improvement. This internship opportunity provided me a pretty solid start with my job career. Through this internship opportunity, I had a chance to learn and experience the workflow in healthcare domain. I also had a chance to work on data which contain millions of records and retrieve necessary data accordingly, which helps me to understand SQL in real life, and it might help me to build more databases in my future stages. Talking to the business clients also helped me to improve my personality and communication skills, and this might help me for a full-time job position later. Now that I have worked on this project and have proper understanding of all the workflow, I can easily apply for the full-time at Blue Cross Blue Shield, and they might consider me as an option because we have few meetings every week, and they know me, that I have how much knowledge I have on the workflow in this project. Finally, the spring opportunity, internship opportunity helped me to start off my career in a healthcare domain, and I wish I had to work in the healthcare domain in future as well. Thank you. I'm up for any questions now.